Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to program your Toyota Prius key fob. This method is often called the chicken dance and works for many models. First, gather all your key fobs, both old and new, to program them together. Make sure your car battery is fully charged. Then, get into the driver's seat, close all doors, and ensure they are unlocked. To enter programming mode, insert and remove your key from the ignition 2 times within 5 seconds. Next, close and open the driver's door 2 times within 40 seconds. Then, insert and remove the key from the ignition once. Finally, close and open the driver's door 2 more times within 40 seconds. Now, insert the key into the ignition and close the driver's door. Without pressing the brake, press the power button 2 times, then remove the key. Your vehicle's door lock should cycle 2 times, indicating it has successfully entered programming mode. This confirms you are ready to register your new key fob. To register your new fob, press and hold both the lock and unlock buttons simultaneously for 1.5 seconds, then release. Immediately after, press and hold only the lock button for 2 seconds. The car's door locks will cycle once, confirming successful programming. To finish, open the driver's door, then test all your key fobs to ensure they work correctly.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.